Good afternoon. I decided not to do the benches, etc, etc. Oh God, this out. Yeah, I decided to do wiring instead. Just give you a quick glance. There we go. Bit of a ball ache really, even though I've got my map. What a pain. Been at it about 2.5 hours. Anyway, yeah. Well, that's it basically. Everything's in place, I hope. There was some cable going to the carver. But you're right, really thick stuff, and there were no way. Oh, hang on. Them there. They were really thick. In fact, I was going to knock them out somewhere. No, I am. Yeah, and they won't go in at all. They won't go in. So I'm hoping, because it's only for the ignition anyway, as far as I know. Yeah. Why is it not focusing? Yeah. So, anyway, I'm about to connect up to the battery. I'll tell you what I did. In this fastener here, that boy, a bad boy, there's supposed to be a brown and a red. I can't find a brown and a red. But, having said that, I found it here. Oh. Yeah. And I don't know where I got it from. I'm not sure if it went under the van to a 12 volt plug, and when I took the wires out I just saved it. So anyway, I'm going to use that for giving power to the Zig. Yeah, just for the time being I'm just going to use one battery, because I haven't got the hurdy-gurdies. So I shall report back and see if anything works. Now, I've just finished the wiring, put me hurdy-gurdies on, inline fuse, that's going to the Zig. Yeah, I've even put it through some trunking. Still a bit of a mess, but it's okay. Are you ready? Right. For anybody who has one of these Zigs, let's turn the light out. Right, anybody with one of these? It's quite simple really. Caravan battery, that's where you want it on. Yeah. Battery, okay. Well, it wants to be, it's brand new. Right, auxiliary is well, you don't need it for lights anyway. As far as I know, it's for carver, which is now not working. It was working a minute ago. Oh, that's why. There. That's your augs. As far as I know as well, it's supposed to work that, but it's not working. But I think the problem's down there. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get back to this. So, lights. Obviously the pump. That's not working. And here we go. Hey! We have ignition. We didn't have before. And anyway, all it was were fuses. 10 amp fuses in here. Yeah. So we have light, which is good. Now it's coming summer. Don't need them. Right. Yeah. So I'm going to tidy this up now. Just box it in, etc, etc. I'm going to run the toilet. I've got some string. I'm going to pull it through the same trunking. Put an inline fuse on. Pointless connecting it yet. What else were there? Yeah, tomorrow, because it's getting a bit late now. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing the 240. Wire this up to this. That. Bit gutted really. I could do it. I'd rather one of them be 16 amp. Oh, it's upside down. There. I'd rather be 16 amp. But that there and there, that's sockets fridge. That's how it worked before. But yeah, I think majority of caravan sites now are they're 16 amp. So I might get one of these because that's, I don't know what it is. I think it's 10 and 6. Oh dear. Number 6. Oh, 5. 5 amp, 10 amp. 5 amp, oh, fridge. Ah, is that all for a fridge? Yeah, but anyway, like I was saying, I'd like to change this, but I don't know if you can. I don't know how to do it, and I don't want to be messing with this stuff. Right. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. I better turn that off, haven't I? Yeah, and turn these off, because I can. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll be doing that tomorrow.